Where does Postman install to? I recently installed Postman on my Windows 7 laptop. Postman launched automatically once the initial installation finished, but I haven't been able to figure out how to relaunch the application since then. The installer didn't give me the option to select my install location or add a desktop shortcut. I've searched C:\program files, but I didn't see any folder for Postman. Where does Postman install to on Windows?
On Windows, Postman installs to C/users/appdata/local/postman. As a shortcut, you can enter %localAppdata%\postman. The main Postman executable is stored in a subfolder \app5.x.x. Replace X with app version. There are two likely reasons why Postman installs to %appdata%. The %appdata% folder is per user, allowing installation without administrator rights. Postman seems to use the squirrel installer, which doesn't allow custom install directories. Noted by the presence of \postman\app5.x.x/squirrelsetup.log. Thanks Toolchip for suggesting %appdata% as a possible install location.
The Postman native application is installed by default in %localAppdata%\postman. The reason for using this location might be that administrator privileges are not required to access this folder.
The following is an addition to the couple of excellent answers found in this post, as it helped me and I would be happy if it helped someone. Objective. If you are like me and you are looking to launch Postman from the run command prompt, Windows plus R keys, read on. One of the places that the run command prompt will pick up commands is from the path environment variable. So I modified the path environment variable and added C/users/appdata/local/postman. Now I can Windows plus R, enter Postman in the prompt voila. Note, if another location opens up, like for me, C/users/postman/files delete that location, if you are not using it. Bonus. To find out more about how and where the run command prompt is resolving its command, you may want to read this excellent post. Cheers.
Social,